everybody, Reviewdini here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now if you're like me and probably many others, you picked up the S7 a couple of years ago, and while it was a great phone, it just wasn't quite big enough. So after your plan ran out, or your 2-year upgrade ran out, you've now started considering something a little bit bigger, and that's where this device jumps in. So this is the box for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This is a T-Mobile version. You can see you've got the specs on the back and some instructions. On the top you've got this blue cardboard type of material. And whenever you pull the sleeve off, you've got your box with a security seal. Top of the box. Bottom of the box has the IMEI information. And we're going to go ahead and open it up now. Inside you've got that same blue soft cardboard feel, which is kind of interesting, makes it feel kind of luxurious. And this appears to be the instruction booklet. Let's go ahead and open that up. Oh, it also comes with the SIM card key, which we'll need in a little bit, so let's go ahead and pop that out now. Forget it, we'll pop it out later. Here's the instructions that come with it, your terms and conditions, and your limited warranty, terms and conditions, health and safety information, a little quick start, get the most out of your phone, and then your welcome start guide. I believe one of these on the back is probably going to be in, there we go, Spanish, and Spanish as well. Alright, and the SIM card key was a little difficult to get out, so I used a little pry piece in order to do so. And then here is the phone. This is the actual phone right here. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out, peel off this plastic that's on the front of it. And we'll go ahead and leave the one on the back since I'm going to be putting a case on it. And I'd like to get as few scratches as possible, but as you can see, this is the ocean blue version. You've got your fingerprint scanner, you've got your sensors right here that I believe are your heartbeat and stuff. I think that it was supposed to do. There's your LED, there's camera 1, camera 2, that's a giant camera. It's kind of interesting to make note of there. On the top you've got your spot for your SIM card and micro SD card, and this looks like it's going to be probably a microphone or a speaker. No, microphone. On the bottom here's another microphone. There's your speaker. There's your 3.5 millimeter input, and then this is going to be your USB Type-C connector. And then this here is what we've all been waiting for, the S Pen for the blue model. This one comes out yellow, Samsung. So that's how it ejects right there, is that little tap. And then this is how you will use it to actually take a picture. Now this device has a has a Bluetooth receiver inside of it, so you're actually going to connect with your phone via Bluetooth, and it charges through inside of the device. Whenever you plug it in, there's like some induction charge that happens, so pretty cool. Alright, on the side you've got a volume up and a volume down. Volume up and volume down, and then your Bixby button. On this side you've got your power button. So that's your whole device right there. We're going to go ahead and set that aside, just off to the edge. And then inside here you've got your tray that holds the phone, and it says Samsung underneath through it. Here's my T-Mobile SIM card and some warranty information that goes back with your device if you needed to send it back. USB connector, so this has a USB Type-C input on this end, and this has the regular large USB input on this end, presumably to transfer data from your old phone to your new phone. Here is the USB charger. Now this is your typical Samsung charger. They've used the same one for a number of years. It says Samsung across the top. This is a 2 amp charger, so it's not the most powerful out there, but it's fast enough to do the, what does this say here? Adaptive fast charge. Inside here you've got a nice Samsung USB cable. Hopefully this is a higher quality than some of the cheap things that you can get off of Amazon. This is your S Pen tip removal tool, as well as 2 additional tips that are included inside of that. Do not lose that. This here looks like 2 extra sets of earpieces, and then here are your earbuds right here. They're the AKG earbuds that come with this device. Right, so that looks like just about everything. Go ahead and move the box out of the way. So this is a real simple video today. We're just doing the unboxing. It's not getting too terribly complicated, but I did just want to at least go through it and show you bit by bit what comes inside of the case and what you can expect whenever you open it up for the first time. We're going to go ahead and pop out the SIM card tray, because I know a lot of you guys have asked questions about that in the past. And all you do is you take your little SIM card removal key, you put it right inside that little dot, and you just push. It doesn't have to go down all the way, just a little bit. And it'll pop out just enough that you can stick your thumb right there, pull it out. And here you've got a spot for your SIM card and for your micro SD card, so that way you're able to expand. Now this device will come with either 128 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes of space. So you're able to add up to a 512 gigabyte card right there. So this could potentially be a 1 terabyte phone for you if you actually needed that much space. That's insane. I only got the 128 gigabyte version because currently I have 64 gigabytes of space, and that's plenty for me. But if I do need to upgrade, I've got that option. So this is a great option for me. Now your SIM card comes, this is one of the 3-in-1 SIM cards. You can get one of the old style, pop it out and you've just got the old style SIM card. You can pop it out right there, you've got the next style SIM card, or you can just pop out the very tiniest piece of SIM card and put it in there. So it's a universal SIM card that T-Mobile sells, not necessarily geared just for this device. If it were, it wouldn't have these other pop-outs. But that'll go right in there for me later. And really, that's pretty much all. If you guys have any additional questions or comments about any of these pieces or anything about the phone, keep watching. We're going to go ahead and come out with a full review of the phone here shortly. And thanks for watching, guys.